Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Horizon Fitness Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmill. Horizon Fitness makes some of the best home treadmills in the business. Their Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmills are towards the more expensive end of treadmills on this list, but we think they're well worth the investment. One of the big differences between this and a cheaper treadmill is the size and sturdiness of the frame. Made from aluminum plastic, it feels completely solid, even when you're running at full tilt. Plus, the control panel and handles are so massive they have 2 storage compartments and a tablet holder built into the design. Speaking of controls, the Horizon Fitness Studio Series Advanced Training Treadmill has so many, you'll need a couple of days to get the hang of it. In addition to the buttons underneath the LCD screen, it has 2 joysticks that allow you to change the pace and incline easily while running. If you can afford it, we'd seriously recommend considering this treadmill. You'll never have to visit a gym again. You may also like some of these amazing under-desk treadmills from our list, so check them out. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you don't have a lot of space, the dream of having a home gym can seem pretty far-fetched. There are no 2 ways about it, even folding treadmills are too big for most homes. Fortunately, the Goplus folding treadmill offers a solution. It works in 2 ways. You can use it as a traditional treadmill, with a handrail to hold onto. When it's in this position, it can achieve a maximum speed of 7.5 miles per hour jogging pace, so it's not as fast as a full-size treadmill, but you can still work up a sweat. Alternatively, you can fold down the rise and save even more space. In this position, it only has a maximum speed of 2.5 miles per hour walking pace. Some customers have placed it underneath a standing desk and used it to exercise while they're working. It's also got space to hold your smartphone, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, and a small LED screen that provides workout metrics. If you need to save space, the Goplus folding treadmill is the way to do it. Number 3. Merax Electric Folding Treadmill. The Merax Electric Folding Treadmill is one of the cheapest treadmills on this list. It's not as high-tech as the products from NordicTrack or Nautilus, but it still deserves a place on this list. The first thing to mention is the relatively small running surface, which measures just 15 inches by 43 inches. This is adequate space for a small runner, but it's not suitable if you have a long stride or wide running stance. One thing we do like about the running surface is the turf-like texture they've used. You definitely won't slip. We were impressed by the control panel. It's simple compared to high-end treadmills, but it's very easy to use. You can easily select different running modes, use voice activation, control your speed, and even play music through the USB speakers. We also like the fact that it's foldable. It's not quite as space-saving as the Goplus folding treadmill, but the small running surface makes it one of the smallest treadmills on this list. Number 4. Schwinn 810 Treadmill. When it comes to a product like a treadmill, there are so many different options to choose from and each one has a different price. We're always looking for products that offer both amazing features and an amazing price. The Schwinn 810 treadmill is just that. At $699 at the time of writing, it's one of the cheaper treadmills on this list, but you'd never guess that when you read the spec sheet. Plus, it's made by Schwinn, one of the world's oldest and best-loved bicycle companies, so you know it's going to be a solid product. This foldable treadmill has a 20-inch by 55-inch running belt that has a technology called soft-track deck cushioning to add some spring to each step. It has an impressive backlit LCD display that has a total of 16 workout programs and up to 2 user profiles. Plus, it can be connected to the Explore the World app, which allows you to take part in virtual races around the world. This might not be the most stacked treadmill in terms of features, but it's an amazing workout tool for the price. Number 5. Sunny Health Fitness SFT 7603 Treadmill. Sunny Health and Fitness is one of the leading brands in affordable treadmills. If you don't want to invest thousands in home gym equipment, a product like the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7603 could be just what you're looking for. It has the same basic function as a professional standard gym treadmill, but they've cut back on the features and size to make it affordable. One of the most noticeable differences is the smaller running surface. Measuring just 49 inches by 16 inches, it's only really suitable for those with a smaller stride length. It has a pretty simple LCD screen and a series of quick touch buttons to adjust your workout. Plus, there are 3 different levels to adjust the incline. Of course, at the price, it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity or any corresponding apps to digitize your workout.